Hello and welcome to the equipment tutorial series here at Middlesex Community College. My name is Eddie and today we're going to be going over our Oben Photo Tripod. In this video, we're going to teach you how to set up, adjust, and tear down your tripod correctly. If you'd like to skip to anywhere specific in the video, you can use any of these timestamps here and there'll also be timestamps down in the description. We want to come over here and just bring the legs out like that, and then we'll come down here, open each latch to full extension. We'll do that for each of these legs, just like that. Now, if we want to extend the centerpiece here, we'll just unscrew this knob and we can do that. Tighten it back where we want it, just like that. Now with this tripod, you can adjust the left and right motion as well as the ball joint with the same knob, and that's this knob right here. So unscrew that and we can turn left and right there, and also move this ball joint at the same time. We have this notch here where we can also get a little bit of extra rotation. If you want to level this tripod, just look at the green bubble right here. Make sure that is in the middle before tightening the tripod back up. Now for the base plate. To remove this base plate, come down here to this knob, push in that latch, and pull it back, and you'll feel a little spring push the plate up. You can just grab the plate, just like that. Now secure this base plate onto the camera. You'll notice that there's a little slot. Now what you can do is you can take a coin like this to use that to screw the base plate into the bottom of your camera. So just line it up and screw it in, just like that. And this base plate, it doesn't matter which direction you push it in because it is the same on all four sides. Once we have the base plate secured, we can then put it back on to its little slot here. Make sure you push that spring down and that latch will automatically flip back into place, and then you are secured. Now to collapse this tripod, we're just gonna do the steps in reverse. So make sure that your centerpiece here comes all the way down, and then tighten it back up. Then come down to the legs here, open each latch, push from the bottom, and then you can close it. You'll do that on each side. And from there, it's as easy as pushing the legs in, and that is our Oben tripod. Now to rebag this tripod, it's very simple. Just open the bag up all the way, slide that tripod right in there, make sure we get all the way in, and we'll just zip it up, and that is our Oben tripod. Today we learned how to set up, adjust, and tear down our Oben Photo Tripod. If you have any other questions or think we missed anything in this video, please don't hesitate to ask your professor or instructor. With that being said, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Until next time, happy filming from everybody here at MCC's Media Production Department.